You check your bank account, see a lower number than you expected, and have zero clue where it all went. Maybe it's those sneaky subscription fees, that daily coffee you can't resist, or that shopping spree you forgot about. We've all been there. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a financial guardian angel, someone who tracks your spending, hunts down areas to save, and even negotiates better deals for you? Enter Snoop, the money management app with a name that's more pop culture icon and less bloodhound, but with a mission to sniff out your financial woes. So, what exactly is Snoop known for? Let's dive in and see how this app can transform your relationship with your money. Snoop the Organizer, your one-stop financial shop. Imagine this: bank accounts, credit cards, savings accounts, a financial battlefield with statements scattered everywhere. Snoop swoops in like a financial Marie Kondo, consolidating everything into one user-friendly app. No more flipping through endless pages or logging into different websites. With Snoop, you get a clear, centralized view of your entire financial picture. Snoop the Bloodhound, tracking every penny. Here's where things get exciting. Snoop doesn't just show you your money, it analyzes it. Like a financial bloodhound, it tracks every penny you spend, categorizes it, groceries, entertainment, that impulse online purchase, and presents it in a way that's easy to understand. Suddenly, those mysterious disappearing acts become clear. See exactly how much you're spending at restaurants, on subscriptions you never use anymore, or even that gym membership you haven't touched in months. Snoop the Superhero, saving you money without the cape. Knowledge is power, and Snoop empowers you with the knowledge of your spending habits. But it doesn't stop there. This app is like your financial superhero, constantly on the lookout for ways to save you cash. Here's how it works. Snoop analyzes your spending patterns and identifies areas where you might be overpaying. Is your cable bill outrageous? Snoop can suggest better deals from other providers. Do you have subscriptions you forgot about? Snoop will remind you and even help you cancel them. It can even find discounts and vouchers for your favorite stores, turning you into a savvy shopper. Snoop the Coach, setting you up for success. Snoop isn't just about showing you the past, it's about building a financially secure future. The app helps you set realistic budgets based on your income and spending habits. No more flying blind. See exactly how much wiggle room you have for that weekend getaway or that new gadget you've been eyeing. Snoop the Plus One, taking it up a notch, for a fee. The basic Snoop app is fantastic, but there's a premium version called Snoop Plus that unlocks even more features. Think advanced budgeting tools, personalized savings goals, and even bill negotiation assistance. Snoop Plus essentially becomes your financial cheerleader, holding your hand and guiding you towards a brighter financial future. Is Snoop the perfect fit for you? Snoop is a fantastic app for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting out, Snoop offers valuable insights, helpful tools, and the potential to save serious cash. However, it's important to remember that Snoop is a tool, not a magic bullet. You still need to be committed to making smart financial decisions. But with Snoop by your side, you'll have a powerful ally in your quest for financial freedom. So, there you have it. That's what Snoop, the money management app, is all about. If you're tired of feeling lost in the world of finances, Snoop might just be the helping paw you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.